Think you need an IT background to break into tech? Think again.
There are many opportunities for you. Better yourself. Hi, good afternoon. I'm Stella Sandra Namagembe. After my relocation to Germany, I needed to better my skills. I needed to upgrade. I needed a technical skill, but I didn't know how to do that. And that's how we crossed paths with Masterschool. I joined Masterschool with zero knowledge about all the technical skills that I know now. SQL, Tableau, Python, BI, nothing. But Masterschool taught me from the basics to where I am now. I can do many things as a data analyst from zero knowledge. I had nothing related to that. I'm so happy to have met the amazing mentors, the amazing teachers, the amazing group mates. It's been an incredibly amazing journey. And I'm so intrigued and so happy to have been part of this story. Whoever feels stranded, you can do this. I too was stranded, but just one step, leap of faith. Here I am, a data analyst. Thank you so much, Masterschool.
Click the link to enroll now.